Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double tap to power key on our device, we can activate the camera application. And if you want to switch that feature, for example, because here on the left side of our device we have the side key, and now just by one click, by double press, triple click, or just by long press on this button, we have not here any features. So we'll just to change this, we should go into the settings application and then tap here to the gestures and on keys. After that, tap here to side key function, and now we can here select to by one click on the side key the feature, for example, to open the flashlight. We can switch, just select here just another application to add. For example, by one click will open the flashlight. By double click we can just, for example, open the Google Chrome app. And now by long press on the side key here, for example, we'll use the WhatsApp. So let's just try that. Now just one click and we can see that the flashlight is activated. Just to turn off, you should click here once again. Now by double click on the side key we can see that the Google Chrome app is activated successfully, and by long press we can launch the WhatsApp application. So as we can see, that's so simple. If you want to just change this apps, you should just once again launch the settings app. After that, tap here on the gestures and keys and click to side key function, and then just switch, for example, to screenshots. So now by by one click we can take a screenshot. So as can you see, that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.